This conference will now be recorded.
Basically, I'm starting the project. Whether the people university approval or not, the data by using the random forest. That step by step, I will explain that those all things. Okay, by applying the random forest algorithm. Using in this one pandas. Why we use pandas? Because data frame capture in the data, the Python. Also, we are using sklearn. Use it for explaining. We can take the algorithm random forest and also matplotlib also we can use it using. Okay, let's start our project. We need to import that data pandas. We can import it pandas, and in this one we can use the df variable. In this one we can using that pandas read csv file CSR Excel. In my case, I'm using Excel, my data set. Okay. Now it okay. Excel SX. Okay. Okay. I have four features. We can observe here GMAT, GPA, work experience, age, admitted. In this one data, I will explain you. Here, this is my data set. This is the Excel file. We have GMAT. In this one, we wanted to check how much score of GMAT. Just to filter, click here, and here we can see able to how much marks with GMAT. It is last range is 790. Okay, and starting from 540. This range will be marks will be there. GMAT score, and also we can see GPA. In this one 1.7 like this up to 4 we can aware of that. This is I think this is a 5 2 we have 1.2 to 4 this percentage right there. And also working experience also we want to see. Just start 1 year experience there and 2 years experience there, and also up to 6 years experience will be there. Age, next to future we have age. This age of 22 to age is there, and also 31 up to 31 age last of people there. Okay, admitted. In this one 0 there, 1 2 uh, category values that there. Okay, what is GPA and also I will tell about that GPA futures. uh, I will explain. dot head. We want to only one specific one column. Okay, we will use that shape. We can choose that how many rows columns will be there. We have 40 rows will be there, and 5 columns will be there. Okay, and we need to store in X. We will take the futures. My X input variables are uh, GMAT, GPA, work experience, age. These things will be there. Just I will take this and also GPA and also work experience. Next future I'm taking and storing in X, and also age also I'm taking. It will store in X variable. I need to store in Y. Y means output variable, outcomes. Df of what is the admitted. Just take it. These are stored in X comma Y. You can see here. Okay, it is stored here. Next step, what we want to take the length of this X. You can see what is the length of X. Same 40. Okay. Next step, what is there? We need to take the algorithm. We are taking X and Y, and their features also stored in X comma Y, X and Y. Next, we need to take scalar. Just we are taking that thing. That's why we need to import that library. First of all, we need to train and test. We need to split that 40 there. Now we want to take split for train and test. Scalar model selection, import train test split. Okay, next we will train data. We'll store in train, and test data will store in test. The Y train data store in Y train, and also Y test is also store on Y test. We'll take the train library. By using the train library, we can split that train test. X our is input variable, Y is our outcome variable, and test size. Why need to take test size? This is we want split this much percentage of data. That's why we will take in 25 percentage. And random state. So random test state equal to 0. Why we will take in random state equal to 0 means because of we want to take a specific split only. We don't want to require to randomly choose data split 25 percentage. We want to take specific same data will be split, same everything will be same. We'll check about extend length. how much it will take in. Getting it. Okay.
Uh, Split.
Yeah.
The split
Yes.
I should be removed.
Yes. Yes. Train data. We we are taking 30. 30 will be train data, and also we can take test data also. How much will be there? Test data we are see able to 10%. In this one we have uh, length of x. How much there? 40. We have 40 data. In this one we are splitted. X is x test is 10, and x train is 30. It will split it every time. It will take only that's specific data. We want to specifically we need not to different it will be affected to different accuracy will be changing based on the data. I need to take specific data. I don't want to take randomly data. I want to take specifically data. That's why I'm given 0. And after that we can take that sklearn library. Once again we are taking sklearn library. For this one, ensemble. In this library we want import random state classifier, because our data is classification data 1 0 1 2. That's why we are taking classification. Just RFC we are taking y random forest classifier shortcut I was taking. Just take the algorithm and do an estimators. I want to take estimator 100 estimators I am taking. Now we can see random forest. We need to feed the data, our data. X-ray and also X test. Oh, no, X and Y train. We will take the Y train. Okay, just fitted data successfully. After we need to prediction of our data. Y predict. Yes, I'm taking Y predict variable. And this one I'm taking RFC random forest and predict. We need to predict that, and just passing the X data, X test data. It will give that outcome output variable. Output will be stored here. Classification data. It will give. I want that also. We will check accuracy, all things. Also, we will do it. I need to check that whether y prediction is correct or not. How much accuracy of these things is correct. That's why I'm taking sklearn, that matrix mathematical functions. I'm taking import and confusion matrix. can you hear me? My voice is audible. Please, please tell any issues, any listening. Yes, any voice issues, anything. Ping me message or else speak mic. Okay, I'm taking confusion matrix. I'm storing CM. Confusion matrix taken. And this one I'm comparing with Y prediction and also Y test. I'm taking Y test, comparing those things. How my prediction is correct or wrong. My prediction is taken diagonally. We can observe here 4, 2, 2. These things are correct prediction. 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8. My prediction is 8. 80% is my prediction is correct. And also remaining we can see 1 1 here. 1 1 means 2. And 2% and 20% is wrong our prediction. Okay. Then we can see the accuracy of this data from sklearn. Again we are importing matrix. Matrix importing and print here. I need to accuracy of matrix. Matrix in this one I have one function will be there, accuracy score. I need to show the accuracy score, how much it is prediction is correct, and take that whitish, and also we are able to take in y prediction. Okay, then we see that we're able to here our data is 80% like this. This is like this 8 comparing with 10. So that's why it will getting 8 0.8. 80% is correct. Okay, then after we can see visually we wanted to show that data by using Seaborn as SN aliasing confusion matrix. I'm taking confusion matrix pandas by using the pandas library. Cross tab in this one I'm taking y test and also y prediction. Row names. Row names, what is the prediction and actual will be there. Actual row name is actual and column name prediction. Prediction. Then you can see here draw SN. We have seaborne and we need to this data in heat map. Heat map confusion cross matrix. We are taking this cross tab test and also y prediction, pronouns actual acceleration and prediction. Annotation means that's visible our numbers also. See the different function. Annotation in my case true. I'm giving the defaultly it is false, I think. Okay. When we remove that annotation, it will won't give that numbers. You can observe here. When you give that annotation true, it will be show that numbers. Okay. And also show that accuracy also here only. Same thing. Just copy paste. 80%. Visually we can able to see here. And also next we will do that analyze that data, how it will become. That's why we can derive the accuracy from the confusion matrix, and accuracy formula were there, how it will take an accuracy. Accuracy equal to sum of values on the main diagonals. You know about the diagonals. Divided by sum of values of the matrix. Values on the matrix. This is the formula of our accuracy formula. This is how will be implemented. See that formula we can able to see here. Diagonals will be there 4 2 wait, okay, 4 plus 2 plus 2 our diagonals, and also divided by total number of values, sum of the values of matrix. In this one we have 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 equal to, we got it, 0.8. Understood. Okay, let's say drive deeper into the result by printing the following two components, that is x test point prediction, and also we can take in here, recall that the original data set had 40 observation. Here we set the test size of 0.25 percentage we are tested, and also then a matrix visually matrix displayed confusion matrix result total 10 records. In this one 40 into 0.25, there will 10 tested records will be there. The prediction was also made by 10 records, where here we can hear and tell that 2 2 is admitted, except he is admitted. One will be there waiting list. Based on the future that will be list their university. Okay, this is on a university data. Based on the future, our prediction will be who is admitted, who is waiting list, who is not admitted. Those things we can predict that 0 equal to not admitted. Okay, we can futures also we can analyze that we need to analyze which feature is most affected on that output. Let's know from the prediction of determine whether the new candidate will be get the admitted based on the following information. That is information. Our major value is GMAT score is 730. Sorry, GMAT 730 up to we can see we was seen on Excel file previously. GPA score 3.7. Working experience, we want to test this data. This is correct or not. Working experience 4. Age 27. Mm, we want to test and correct prediction whether giving or not. Just aware of the prediction RFC, random forest crossfire predict test. We need to test 730 GMAT to GPA 3.7, work experience 4, and age 27. This person will be either coming or not. University seat confirmed or not. We can check. Prediction will be getting or not correct. We can check it out. 4 working experience and also his age is 27. Yes, we absolutely get that university seat. We can confirmly this much score will be there. This confirmly get that admission. How to determine the important of futures? In this last section, we can obtain the important of score for the future. Each future score we can check that. Generally speaking, you may be considered the exclusive feature. Low score, which has a low score. That's why we will take future importance. Which future is good for analyzation. Important is pandas series in this one RFC and for us in this library we can taking future importance. Which feature is important? Short after that short values. Ascending order equal to false, which means we are giving the false that no, this is take the descending order. X we are taking round function. Round means it will take the values change. We have future for four futures. We will see future importance names. Here we are able to see here. I need to show that titles also. That's why we will take that import that PLT library. PLT means import matplotlib. By the using the matplotlib, in this one pyplot as PLT. Oh, okay, sorry. This is our future importance. And we just use the show function. You can see able to here. This is our age. This is our experience. This is our GMAT. This is our GMAT now. GPA and also GMAT is the major case, major effect. High accuracy 0.50 percentage. Okay, as you observe here, the age has a low score and also and therefore may execute further model. Once you can run the code, you will value, which means candidate are expected to be admitted. Okay, this is and some more where usually I wanted to run GUI application. Using the GUI application we can user with interact with user values, then we can algorithm by the way automatically taking and give the prediction of the users. We can understand, but the data we need to prepare that model for that also users also. I'm using for that tkinter. This is a GUI application. I'm taking root function. I'm taking just root here. I'm taking tk in this one tk means this window will be happier, or else you can use here name pop-up box the quotation class name also we can take it. Class name means specify that what is the name, what is the user title. Class name random forest classifier university project, and also we need to use that